Hi everybody, my name is Tyler Verhoff, and I'll be presenting to you today Gifts to Students or Staff, Module 11 of my EDL 854 School Finance class. So there are two types of appropriate gifts for students. These two types are fundraising incentive gifts and special achievement gifts. Gifts should only be available to students who participate in a school fundraising event. Gifts for students must be age appropriate. Gifts must be paid for by an outside event fundraising company and not by the school. So in our school, we have a school-wide magazine sale. And at this magazine sale, students go to family members, family and friends, neighbors, and they just sell like a magazine subscription or like food items. There's two different assemblies, and for the sales, they received certain types of prizes that are age appropriate and are paid for by the outside company hosting the event. For these incentive gifts, examples could be, like bikes, tickets to movie passes, theme park free tickets. Those are all kind of some of the examples of the gifts that are given in these fundraising initiative events. Now, special achievement gifts are another appropriate type. These gifts are presented at school assembly, usually for academic achievement. And what can students really be rewarded for in National Honor Society? There can be athletic achievements and as well as academic achievements. In my school, we don't really, I work at a special needs school, so we don't have events like this, and we'll have things like pizza parties, like a medal service or a certificate service for my students. And these funds are always generated by the PTA donations. This is kind of one of my personal experiences using that appropriate gift. Here is a picture of me giving a medal to one of my students. This was for an event last year called Winter Olympic Games, and we had like Olympic events similar to events in the Olympics that all of my kids got to participate in, and at the end, everybody received a medal. And those are pictured there, and everybody received one, and all the funds came out of our school committee budget for these type of funds from the PTA. So, staff gifts and all staff gifts. If the staff earns the funds, it is appropriate to use the capital earned to benefit the staff, and it must be available to all staff. All the items must be at least $5, and it is a rule of thumb not to give cash or various gift certificates to staff members. And these types of gifts should be limited in practice. That was strongly urged by the book. Gifts mandated and paid for by profits from a fundraiser. And some examples of these staff gifts are staff lunches. I remember getting Chick-fil-A one day for Teacher Appreciation Day from our administration, and that's why I put this nice picture up there to remind us that we are rewarded a lot, and free t-shirts are another example. Fundraising incentive gifts are available for participating staff who meet the criteria. And these gifts are paid for by the event or company, and usually with a small percentage of the profits that the staff raises. And an example of these are various gift cards. Special occasion gifts. These are gifts that are typically specific for members of staff only, so like to one individual person. And all the procedures pertaining to the school must be followed. And they are paid for by staff remembrance funds at our school. And we recently had a wedding type gift that was like a kind of, everybody, like, you wanted to go buy a gift, and this organization bought a gift for the person who was wedding. And for a retirement party, we have also participated in stuff like this too, and I thought I would amuse us with some of this retirement gifting, a little chocolate bar for retirement. And thank you very much. These were my references.